Hi, this is just a wee update from the last video, the preparation work that we've shown you in this previous one. The main thing I want to sort of show you here is the underfloor heating. This is a warm-up underfloor heating. Probably not even the UK, the world's best selling underfloor heating. This is the wire system. You do get a mat system. The good thing about the wire system, you can actually have it going any way you want. The mat, you kind of restrict it a wee bit. So we've had this just stop short of the vanity wall hung basin, and having it shown going all the way around about the shower tray. And there's another basin this side. We've also stopped short of that. So it's you're going to get the heat where you're really needing it. In the hall of the bathroom. We put this insulating boards down. They actually get glued down. Some people use like metal washers to hold it down, but the problem is there that you can't put the cable over the top of a metal washer, because you would get a hot spot and you could end up burning out the cable. So we use flexible adhesive to glue the boards down, wait till it's set, and then put the underfloor heating down. And on top of this, we're going to actually use a few bags of self-leveling screed. There has to be a minimum of 6 to 10 mm screed, because we're going to be putting on the Carandine flooring. If it was ceramic tiles that we put down sometimes, then you don't need such a thick screed. But with the Carandine, they recommend that, a minimum of 6 to 10 mil. So that's great, and we've already tested it. We've had the cable to the outside, and by the way, you always leave the ends of it not covered with tape, so that has to be fully enclosed with the self-leveling compound. So the cable's in probe. There's a probe in the floor. That's taken back to a tempo thermostat. The tempo thermostat is going to be outside here. And yeah, so we've actually had it wired in to just an extension at the moment, just to make sure everything's heating up before we actually screed it. Well, let's go on. The main thing was going to just show you the flooring, but it might as well go on to the panels that we've used. Again, we quite like, the customers quite like this Fibo panels. I think it's probably the best panels on the market. We've used quite a number of different suppliers. The good thing about the Fibo panel, the core of the material is incredible. I've never come across such good quality. And the way they turn and groove together, there's a few suppliers have actually tried tongue and groove, but nothing in comparison to the Fibo panels. We've also used this 1700 by 700